In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Capitec card PIN directly from the Capitec app. It's a very simple process, but you do need to follow each step carefully to make sure everything updates correctly. Before you start, make sure you're using the latest version of the Capitec mobile banking app. So first, open the Play Store or the App Store and check if there are any pending updates for the Capitec app. If there is an update, install it, because older versions may not show the option to change your PIN. Once your app is fully updated, open the Capitec app and log in using your usual remote PIN. After logging in, you'll be taken straight to the home screen. On the home screen, look at the top right corner and find the three dots. These three dots open the menu where all your main settings are located. Tap on the three dots, and you'll see the remote banking menu appear at the bottom of your screen. From the options shown, tap on Settings to open the app's main settings area. Once you are inside the settings, scroll a little, and you'll find the option that says Update Remote PIN. This is the section where you can change your PIN safely. Tap on Update Remote PIN, and the app will first ask you to enter your current PIN. After you enter your old PIN, you will be able to create a new PIN that is 5 to 6 digits long. Type in the new PIN you want to use, and then confirm it by typing it again, to make sure there are no mistakes. When you are done entering and confirming the new PIN, tap the Update button at the bottom of the screen. The app will then process your request, and within a moment, you'll see a confirmation message saying that your PIN was successfully updated. As long as your app is activated and running the latest version, you can change or manage your remote PIN anytime right here in the app.